did you join skill writers? Like, what was the first thought?
Friends and the people who just taunt
Now tell me, what exactly is your business about? Like, what are you working on?
कि हॉबी ग्रेड आरसी का सस्ते में मिलने चाहिए.
So tell me, this idea was something came from something inspiration or it was like something very planned?
Try to go beyond your limits as you only get a single chance in your life.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, innovators and dreamers, welcome back to OLM Podcast. This podcast is going to be a banger because we have got with us. He's one of the brightest young minds still titans. Imagine this. You're balancing your studies, schools, friends, and at the same time you're having a real business. Isn't that crazy? But that's exactly what Seven is. Today's episode is going to be inspiring, entertaining, and full of lessons. So let's get started. Can you please introduce us about your name, your age, and one fun fact about you?
Okay, so I am Sarvadna Vikas Pawar. I'm currently studying in City Pride School, Moshi, and I'm in 8th grade. My hobbies are I like to make new things and I always try to invent something new.
And seventhly, why did you join skill guidance? Like, what was the first thought about it?
There are many reasons, certainly, but I just wanted to prove my skills to my friends and the people who just taunt me or say that you cannot achieve certain things.
That's fantastic. One thing I want to ask, one thought you had in your mind constantly when you entered that big competition.
So in April, when I entered in OLL Skill Titans, I was very much nervous, but still having a confidence that I should win as I have reached till this platform.
Okay, now tell me, what exactly is your business about? Like, what are you working on?
Okay, so currently I work on my business, which is selling affordable price hobby grade RC cars. So a hobby grade RC car is different from normal hobby RC cars. मीन्स अगर आप हमारे पास ये कार है तो इस कार में फंक्शंस है कि लाइक अ रियल कार, मतलब जितना हम इसका एक्सीलरेटर प्रेस करेंगे उतने स्पीड से कार जाएगी विथ स्टेयरिंग. बट एक नॉर्मल आरसी कार में प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी नहीं होती है, मैक्सिमम लिमिट ऑफ स्पीड पे जाती है और स्टेयरिंग भी उसी टाइप ऑफ होता है. और दूसरों के सामने मजा भी, मतलब साथ में मजा भी नहीं ले पाते, तो उसी मजा देता है सर्वज्ञ आरसी. तो मेरा है कि हॉबी ग्रेड आरसी का सस्ते में मिलने चाहिए, क्योंकि करंटली इन इंडिया ड्यू टू इंपोर्ट चार्जेस कौन सी भी हॉबी ग्रेड आरसी कर ले इजी नहीं है. अगर एक मिनिमम एक अच्छी चाहिए तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 15 to 20,000 तो देना ही पड़ता है. But I can make that RC cars in 5 to 10,000 only.
This very competitive and very fast. So tell me, this idea was something came from something inspiration or it was like something very random?
Okay, so it was a random thought. One day, I was around 10 to 11 years that time. I was just thinking that it's my dream to make a RC car which has a speed, and it's a speed basher, it has proportionality. But the challenge was it was too expensive for me to purchase and to make. So for that, I thought one idea: why we should not make a hobby grade RC car which is cost friendly in the market of India and can save the import charges of the people too.
That is. So tell me, Simran, what was the toughest part in your business journey?
Okay, so the toughest part in my journey was there are many type of materials which are used in hobby grade RC cars, but to provide a less budget and a cost friendly, affordable hobby grade RC car, I needed to include some certain materials, but they were either too expensive, either too cheap, which were not suitable for my car. So the problem was that I thought much and much, and then I finalized certain motors and certain products which are suitable for my budget and which are cost friendly for the customer too.
That is again middle line and really important. So, Sarvan, I want to tell you something. When there are challenges, there are achievements. So tell me the biggest achievement.
Okay, so in April when I went to OLL, I got my biggest achievement, which was getting funding on a platform like Shark Tank, which was around 80,000, which now also makes me happy that I could come till this stage. And now here am I, sitting with you.
That is fascinating. Tell us, how did all this motivate you with skill awareness?
Okay, so during my 3 month sessions and when I went there, they always motivated me that you can do it, you can achieve it. You're the owner of Sarvadnya Sasi. And this gave me confidence that I can also succeed. And I feel best that there were people who supported me a lot.
Of course, your results are nice. Sarvar, most favorite part during skill awareness?
Okay, so my favorite part was everything, but when I went for the 2 days session in Mumbai, firstly I experienced that how movies and how cameras shoot people, and then in the day one when I went to the market, I was very enthusiastic that each things I will do and I will try to make my best profit out of this 500 rupees, which made me try my best, and I also earned an average profit.
Kudos. What are the three most important things while learning from you?
Okay, so there are certain things which I learned from my entire journey. Firstly, being confident. OLL team always supported me to be confident and give my best for the final round, which lead to my success in the final round. Giving my best. Secondly, so जब भी मैंने मेरा बेस्ट दिया तभी मैं मेरा बेस्ट अचीव कर पाया. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू टेल एवरी वन प्रेजेंट हियर दैट ट्राई टू गिव योर बेस्ट बिकॉज नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. थर्ड पॉइंट, हेल्पिंग अदर्स टू गिव देयर बेस्ट. मैं और मेरे दोस्त जब भी लास्ट के 2 days के शूट में थे तब नर्वसनेस मुझे भी हुआ, उन्हें भी हुआ, पर हेल्प की और मैंने भी उन्हें हेल्प की, जिनसे हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा और हम इजीली सक्सेस के पास जा पाए.
So, Sarvadne, why do you think entrepreneurship is important for the kids your age?
Okay, so entrepreneurship is very important for the kids my age to develop their hobbies and interest and make their business to lead their successful life. Due to certain natural calamities, many children face problems in their life. So, to fulfill that problems, entrepreneurship can help them.
Very good. Silence. Suddenly, what I'm curious about and what audience would be curious about, who is the one role model you look up to?
Okay, so my inspiration is my father. I love to speak about my father. When he was small, due to certain problems, he could not complete his degrees, means he wanted to become a doctor, but he could not fulfill it. But he became an engineer and a successful engineer, which makes me happy. And due to certain issues also, he qualified his life, which makes me more happy and lead my life easily.
इसलिए कहते हैं that is the hero of the film. Okay, Sandra, now let's have some rapid fire questions. First one is one word for skill diversity.
Fabulous platform.
And second one would be, if I give you 10 lakhs right now, what would we do?
If I got 10 lakhs right now, I would invest in marketing, advertising online, and purchasing my certain need products.
That is so thoughtful and commendable advice. And last is, what other business are you in and you're interested in if this was not your option?
Okay, if this was not my option, leaving my age, I would like to make vehicles and sell them and make my own company.
So, sir, what message you want to pass to those kids who want to start, but they are stepping back for some other reasons?
Okay, so my message for them would be try to go beyond your limits, as you only get a single chance in your life to prove yourself. So try to ask your parents and your loved ones or relatives to accept your choices and go further and go ahead in your life, which would be my best opinion and solution for that kids.
This was some really inspirational quotes, and I hope that other kids will really take a note of it. And Sarvadne, thank you so much for being a part of Well Podcast. And your story is being the proof that everyone, no matter their age. So, to the viewers, stay tuned for some inspirational stories like this, and see you in the next episode.
Okay, so after coming in this show and getting funding, I am very interested to tell you that I am very happy, and I want to share you something with you. I want to thank my all teachers and all the people who helped me to come throughout this journey, teachers and the helped ones in the OLL's platform. So thank you again to them.